sinunog nila yung mga shelters nila. So ito yung arch ng animal husbandry. May mga year na nakalagay, 1910, 1924. So parang bago siyang pintura ngayon. Noon mukhang mas luma yung itsura niyan. Yan, animal husbandry. Sa kabila ay poultry husbandry. Old poultry husbandry siya. Hindi pa pwede pumasok. Mukha siyang parang sculpture garden. Ito, sa mga lumang structures yan dito. Sa kabila. Animal husbandry. 1921 yung nakalagay. Animal husbandry building. Okay. Ayan, so ito yung campus ng University of the Philippines sa Los Baños, or formerly known as University of the Philippines College of Agriculture. So I think dito ko na lang tatapusin muna yung episode natin for History by Bike. At huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. So this is History by Bike, signing off from University of the Philippines, Los Baños. And thank you.